Now, speaking of traffic tickets, when it comes to strategies in fighting tickets, there is one thing I want you to know about tickets. Now, with regular crimes, there are what's called elements of the crime which the prosecutor has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. For a lot of crimes, there's an element of intent to commit the crime called mens rea. And then there's the actual commission of the crime itself, the actus reus. So, like with crime requiring intent and commission, if the intent is not there, in which the person didn't intend on committing a particular crime, the prosecution cannot prove the crime beyond a reasonable doubt, and you're acquitted. But with traffic tickets, there is no intent required. It's what's called a strict liability offense, where if you did what the definition of the offense says, then you're on the hook for the ticket, no matter if you meant it or not, or whether you knew it was against the law or not. The burden of proof for court, at least in Oklahoma, depends on the judge and how generous they feel on any given day. It can either be a preponderance of the evidence, which is basically a 51% more probable than not standard, or a more stringent, clear, and convincing standard, which is just under reasonable doubt. So when one decides to fight a ticket, it would behoove us to look up the definition